There's something magical about celebrity mansions. It's not just the size or price, but how every detail sparkles with possibility. These homes are a glimpse into a world most of us only see in magazines. From private cinemas to hidden bars, every corner has a surprise. Let's step inside and explore what makes a celebrity mansion truly special. As you approach the mansion, the first thing you notice is the grand entrance. Giant double doors, shining in the sunlight, swing open to welcome you in. Stepping inside, you're greeted by soaring ceilings and a sparkling chandelier that looks like it belongs in a castle. The floor beneath your feet is polished marble, reflecting every step. A sweeping staircase curves upwards, drawing your eye to a balcony lined with delicate railings. Plush carpets hush your footsteps, and the air smells faintly of fresh flowers. There's a sense of anticipation. What magic lies beyond these walls? A grand piano sits in the corner, ready for a tune, hinting at the parties and gatherings that happen here. Many celebrity homes feature dramatic entrances like this. It's their way of making a bold statement from the very first moment. Some even install custom artwork or massive flower displays, changed weekly by top florists. It's not just about impressing guests, but creating a space that feels special every time you come home. You can't help but pause and take it all in. This entrance sets the tone for the rest of the house. Stylish, inviting, and just a little bit jaw-dropping. You're already picturing yourself gliding down that staircase, aren't you? Step into the living room, a true showstopper. Velvet sofas in rich jewel tones gather around a crackling fireplace, creating warmth and glamour. Modern art and enormous windows fill the space with light and style. Here, stars entertain, unwind, and make every day feel like a special event. Next up is the kitchen, a true masterpiece. The first thing you notice is the sheer size. There's an enormous island in the center, crowned with gleaming countertops. Rows of spotless cabinets stretch up to the ceiling, hiding every gadget and utensil you could ever need. Stainless steel appliances, the kind you see on cooking shows, promise meals fit for royalty. Every detail is chosen for beauty and function. Elegant pendant lights hang overhead, giving the space a soft, welcoming glow. There's a separate wine fridge, always stocked with the finest vintages, and a coffee bar that puts your local cafe to shame. Many celebrity kitchens also include a secret pantry, just for midnight snacks or storing party platters away from view. It's not unusual to find a chef's table tucked into a sunny corner, perfect for a quick breakfast or a chat over tea. Some mansions even have two kitchens, one for show, one for the chef. You can imagine hosting cooking classes or intimate dinner parties here, with everyone gathered around, sharing stories and laughter. This kitchen isn't just about food, it's about bringing people together in style. Whether it's a quiet morning or a bustling soiree, every meal feels like a celebration in a space like this. Let's tiptoe up the grand staircase to the bedrooms. The master suite is nothing short of palatial. A king-sized bed sits at the center, dressed in the softest linens and mountains of fluffy pillows. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in gentle morning light, while blackout curtains promise perfect sleep. Walk-in wardrobes line the walls, filled with rails of designer clothes and rows of sparkling shoes. Sometimes, there's even a separate glam room for hair and makeup, a must-have for red carpet events. Soft rugs warm the floor, and there's a private balcony you can step onto for a breath of fresh air or a moment of peace. Guest rooms are just as inviting, each with its own theme and personality. Some celebrities turn spare bedrooms into creative spaces, like music rooms or art studios. And of course, every room has its own ensuite, so there's never a queue for the shower in the morning. Sleeping in a place like this feels like staying in a 5-star hotel every single night. You wake up refreshed, ready to take on the world, or just enjoy breakfast in bed. Because why not? Step into the bathroom and you'll feel like you've entered a private spa. There are deep soaking tubs, perfect for long, relaxing baths by candlelight. Rainfall showers, bigger than some regular bathrooms, offer a refreshing start to the day. Heated floors keep your toes toasty, while marble counters are lined with plush towels and designer toiletries. Mirrors stretch from wall to wall, and there's always perfect lighting for getting ready. No more bad hair days here. Some bathrooms even feature televisions built into the mirrors, so you can catch up on the news or your favorite show while you get ready. And let's not forget the sound system. You can set the mood with music or the gentle sound of waves. Walk-in dressing rooms are a staple in celebrity mansions. These aren't just closets, they're entire rooms dedicated to fashion. Rows of shelves display handbags and hats like a boutique. Some even have glass cases for jewelry, complete with soft lighting to make every piece sparkle. It's the little details that make these spaces feel truly special. A vase of fresh flowers on the counter, or a plush chair for relaxing after a long day. You could spend hours here and never want to leave. Now for the real fun. Let's explore the luxury extras. Almost every celebrity mansion has a private cinema. Plush reclining seats, thick curtains, and a giant screen transform movie night into a red carpet affair. There's usually a popcorn machine and sometimes even a candy bar, so you feel just like you're at the pictures. Next, slip into the home spa. Imagine a private sauna, steam room, and massage table, all just steps from your bedroom. Many stars bring in professional masseuses for regular treatments. There might even be an indoor pool with underwater speakers so you can swim to your favorite tunes. The gym is just as impressive. State-of-the-art machines, mirrors everywhere, and maybe even a yoga studio with heated floors. Some celebrities add a juice bar or a smoothie station for that extra touch of health and wellness. Working out here feels like being in a top fitness club, except it's all yours. These extras aren't just about showing off. They make life easier, healthier, and a lot more fun. In a mansion like this, every day feels like a holiday. Step outside and you'll find the garden, more of a private park really. Manicured lawns stretch out before you, perfect for a game of football or a summer picnic. There's a sparkling swimming pool, surrounded by sun lounges and shaded cabanas. Maybe there's even a hot tub bubbling away in the corner. Outdoor kitchens and barbecue pits mean you can host parties under the stars. Some mansions have their own tennis courts, mini golf courses, or even a small vineyard. Flower beds burst with color, and tall hedges keep everything private and peaceful. You might spot a beautiful fountain, a koi pond, or a secret path winding through the trees. Celebrities love their outdoor spaces. It's where they relax with family, entertain friends, or just enjoy a quiet moment in nature. Some install clever lighting, so the garden looks magical even after the sun goes down. Others add fire pits for cozy evenings with toasted marshmallows and stories. It's easy to see why these gardens are so cherished. They turn every day into an escape, right in your own backyard. Before we end our tour, let's peek at some hidden features. Many celebrity mansions have secret rooms, maybe a hidden bar behind a bookcase, or a panic room for extra security. Some even have underground garages for their luxury car collections, or tunnels leading to private exits. Smart technology is everywhere too. With just a tap on a tablet, you can control lights, music, temperature, and even the curtains. Security cameras and alarms keep everything safe, but it all feels seamless and easy. Some homes even have their own safe rooms or vaults for treasures and awards. What makes these homes truly special isn't just the price tag or the fancy features. It's the feeling you get walking through each room, a mix of comfort, excitement, and a little bit of wonder. Every corner is designed for living life to the fullest, whether you're hosting a party or having a quiet night in. So, as we step back outside and take one last look, It's easy to see why celebrity mansions capture our imaginations. They're more than just houses. They're dreams made real. A place where every day feels extraordinary. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll find yourself living in a place just like this.